What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Break NL. We are doing our fundraiser video. We're going to be giving away 27 prizes right now. The top 27 names are going to win very nice prizes. Every single spot's going to get a nice prize. I want to say thanks again for all the support. It's overwhelming, the amount of support that's shown here constantly when it's needed. So thanks to everybody who entered, even if you got one spot, whether you got 100 spots. Appreciate every one of you guys. We are live, folks. Best of luck. Like I said, 27 prizes going to lucky winners here. And more importantly, we raised $5,050 for the Humboldt Broncos GoFundMe page. We're going to post it tomorrow. It's a little bit later on the East Coast right now, so I'm going to run this video. We're going to find the winners, and then we'll get everything sorted out tomorrow. So thanks again, and here we go. Good luck. Here is your clock. It's 12:09 right now, and here's your list, man. It's a big long one. 970 spots altogether. Devin, down to Ian. There was over 970, but I believe we had to take a couple in because there was a double somewhere along the way. But no big deal. 970. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. 1. So we got a long list. So top 27 after 4 randoms. Here we go. 970. 2. That's a lot of support right there, folks. 3. And remember, we're not doing. Oops, there's one missing. We are not doing a draft. We're not doing a draft. Every spot is linked to a prize. It's 12-10, 12-10, and last and final, guys. If this empty one here gets the top 27 spot, we'll just skip it. Okay. Best of luck. Let's do it. Here is your top 27 after 4. We got Nick Marr, Evan Griffin, Corey Moore, Paula Pennell, Corey, Dennis, Damon, John, Corey Moore, Damon, Stephen, Ron, Corey, Jamie, Brad, Jay, Mike, Clay, Patrick, Jared, Chad, JJ, Sean, Chad, Johnny, Jared, and Brady. There is your top 27, folks. Let's go all the way down here. All the way down to the bottom. We'll get our last timestamp. There was your empty spot we missed. My bad there. Last and final. Last and final timestamp on the video. Congrats again to the top 27. It's 12-11 and 12-11, guys. Congratulations again. We'll go up and grab your top 27 names. I don't want to post them in the comments and ruin it for everybody. But congratulations again to these top 27 people. You're all taking a spot. If you want to see what spot your prize matched up with, just check it out in the comments or in the post here. You can check it all out here. Spots 1 to 27. All right. So thanks again, folks. Appreciate all the support. $5,050 we raised. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.